In this video, I'll be showing you a painting I made for my mum for her birthday. Here I was sketching my best idea onto the canvas, an underwater scene. Then I started mixing the paint colours for the sea and the sky, and here I'm painting them onto the canvas. Because of the camera quality, the sea and the sky look like they're the same colour, but they're not. I'm just adding some waves. Onto the sea! Now I'm adding some colour to the sea life. Here I thought the jellyfish deserved another leg, so I'm just painting one on. I also decided to make the sky colour a bit lighter because it was extremely overwhelming. And I had lots of trouble with the eyes because each time I did it they looked more and more creepy. At this point I just gave up completely and went for the least creepy design on the eyes. Now I'm finessing the almost completed painting and adding some tiny details. And I'm adding some highlights with my Posca pen. Some fish scales on the mermaid's tail. This is how the finished version looks. I love how this underwater scene painting turned out, even though I could have done the eyes a bit better, but they don't bother me too much. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you like my artwork. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell everyone you know to as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!